Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add tags to YouTube video in mobile.
YouTube is a platform where you can create and upload any kind of videos that you want, and you can even get paid for it.
So if you want to know how to add tags to YouTube video in mobile, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open your YouTube application.
Now, all you have to do is go to your channel. For this, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner.
Now at the top, you can see your name and you can see the option View Channel. All you have to do is tap on View Channel. Now you will be led to your channel. Here you can see three options: home, videos and community. All you have to do is tap on videos option that is at the middle. Now you can see I've uploaded a video. If you want to add tags to the YouTube video, make sure you've uploaded the YouTube video. So now right next to this video you can see three lines over here. All you have to do is tap on this three line. Now here you can see several options like save to watch later, save to playlist, download video, share, edit. You'll have to tap on the edit option. Now here on the edit option you can see several options like visibility, audience, location, add to playlist, and here you can also see add tags option. All you have to do is tap on this add tags option. Now here you can add tags. Just enter the tags that you want to add and tap on enter. Here you can see one tag has been added. You can also add additional tags. So that is how you add the tags. Now all you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you have successfully added tags to your YouTube video. So that is how you add tags to YouTube videos in mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.